guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my April update to the Project Panopoly. So if you want to see all the products I've been working on and the progress we've made, we have 2 rollouts. And let's get right on into it. This was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner. This is a game board inspired project where you use dice to travel around the board and do what the prompt says that you land on. You start with 5 prompts, it's rolling style from there, and yeah. We are on the 4th edition of this board, and I'm very excited to continue. So, way back yonder, because this has been in for months and months and months and months, but we're finally making progress on it. This is for the high-end prompt, and I got rolled ice, and that was 8 uses. This is the Valentino lipstick in ethereal red satin. Beautiful red lipstick. I love it very much. I used it twice in March for 6 out of my 8 uses. I can just use this 2 times here in April. I will finally, after many, many moons, meet my goal, which I think is doable. So 2 uses left. I finally can see the light at the end of the tunnel with this little guy. So very excited and happy about that. Then we have for blush, and I got a 10 times use goal, and I brought in this What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Oceana, and I used it once in March, and I'm sitting at 2 out of my 10 use goal. I like the color. It is a very matte blush, but I really don't think I like the delivery system. I don't think I like these puff balls and the applicators, but I'm not ready to declutter it. I still want to try and give it some love. I don't think 2 uses is enough use for me to decide, and I want to be fair, so I want to at least get a little more use on it before I make a decision, because I do feel like I like the formula of the blush. So maybe I could just get over the delivery system. For lip liner, our first rollout, that is from Beauty Creations. It is on my lips today for the very last time. And this is in the shade Caliente. It's a beautiful, just neutral brown. I used it 4 times in March to meet my goal on St. Patrick's Day. So, beautiful brown liner. Finally happy to meet my goal on that. 1 less lip liner to be working on. And then we had oldest product, and one of my oldest products is this Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Princess Cut, and you can see I'm working at the top of the star here. I have a 5 use goal on this guy. I did not use this in March, so we're still sitting at 3 out of 5 uses from February. So it just didn't go with the looks that I was doing. I was doing more like super cool tone looks, and I was wearing purple highlighters, and I didn't want to mix this with those. Even though I know pink and purple do go well together, I just didn't. So hopefully I can get those 2 uses as well in April for the next update, and we can have 2 rollouts again for the next update. That would be my goal, and that would be nice, because I could have pushed this update off a little bit. I'm filming it a little early, but I didn't think I was going to get my uses on either of those anytime soon enough, so I figured we have 2 rollouts. I can just film it now and get 2 new items rolled in. And then from the new board, we have from Wheel 2 Concealer, and I got a 5 times use goal on this Maybelline Lifter Serum Concealer. I used it 4 times in March to meet my goal on March 5th. And I have to say, I do agree that I do not like this concealer. I don't like the stubby little applicator, and it's just thick. It's a beautiful shade for me, but it is such a thick, heavy, sticky concealer. So I do not like this. So I met my goal. So it is a rollout for this project, but I'm also going to declutter this concealer. I got it in Influencer, so it's not like it's something I paid for, so I don't feel as bad decluttering it, but it is not, when I think of a serum concealer, I think of something liquidy and thin, and that is the opposite of everything that is. So I'm gonna scoot on over so we have room for the board, and we are gonna screen record because we're rolling in 2 prompts. So let's roll our dice. Roll the dice. So we got 12. So we were here on roll the dice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're on roll the dice again. So whatever the purple one, so it's wheel 3. Wheel 3. Newest. And I, for some reason, can't get up to spin the random use wheel. So we're just going to choose our uses from the dice. I'm going to let the dice choose my uses. 11 uses. Okie dokie. So let's roll our dice. We got another 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we are on wheel 3 again. So let's spin that guy. Most used. And I'm going to go up to the dice. 7 uses. Okay, so I'm going to go pick out products for those 2 items, and I will be right back. All right, that took me a bit of time to pick out what I wanted, so let me roll up my sleeves here. So for newest, I'm bringing in my Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss in Pink Sherbet. This is brand new to me, and this is a brand new formula. I've never used one of these. It smells like gummy worms. It smells delicious, and it's just a sheer, maybe has a hint of pink gloss, and it says it's like a gloss oil hybrid. So I currently I have my Bare Minerals Dewy Balm on my desk that I'm using when I sit down to film. I put this on as like my hydrator, and I'll take it off when I put a lipstick on at the end of my makeup routine. Once I get my uses on that, I'll move over to this. So that shouldn't take me too much longer, but it's gonna be a second. So this probably won't be a rollout for next update, but it could be. 11 uses is aggressive, but for my most used, I don't have anything more used in my collection than this guy. This is the Revlon Glimmer Correcting Concealer, and I have the brightener. I have the shade 105. I've used this 207 times, and I still haven't had to take the stopper out. That is the shade there. I use it on the front of my under eye, and I use it usually to correct some redness under my nose. It's beautiful. I really do love it. but 7 uses on this guy. I use it every day, so this will be a rollout for next update. So hopefully we'll have 3 rollouts then, maybe 4 next update. That would be phenomenal. But that is going to do it for my April update for the Panopoly Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.